Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the popular ketogenic diet. If you're new to the concept or curious about how it works, you've come to the right place. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that has gained attention for its potential benefits in weight loss and overall health. The main idea behind this diet is to drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake and replace it with healthy fats. By doing so, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. Ketosis is a natural process in which your body switches from using carbohydrates as its primary fuel to using fats. When you consume very few carbs, your liver begins to produce molecules called ketones from the breakdown of fats. These ketones then become the main source of energy for your body, including your brain. Ketogenic diet offers several benefits. It can aid in weight loss. By reducing carb intake, your body starts burning stored fats for fuel, leading to a more efficient fat burning process. Additionally, the keto diet may help to control blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. The keto diet can also reduce cravings and promote a feeling of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake and preventing overeating. Now let's talk about what you can eat on a ketogenic diet. The focus is on foods high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and very low in carbs. Healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, coconut oil. Protein sources like meat, poultry, fish, eggs. Non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and dairy products like cheese, butter, and cream. Avoid foods high in carbohydrates such as grains, sugars, and starchy vegetables. Research shows that the ketogenic diet can help with weight loss, visceral adiposity, and appetite control. It is an effective dietary intervention for body weight and glycemic control in obese type 2 diabetes patients. It is beneficial in fatty liver disease as well. It improved motor function in rodent models of Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, ALS, and spinal cord injury. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. As always, take care of your health and make informed choices. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.